back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to lock WhatsApp chats with Fingerprint. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to lock WhatsApp chat with Fingerprint, all you gotta do is simply open your WhatsApp, go to your settings, and once you go to your settings, tap on privacy. Now you need to simply scroll down and go to app lock or chat lock. Now you have this inbuilt feature in your WhatsApp enabling you to simply have some privacy feature on WhatsApp for overall app security, or for specific chats you can simply tap on chat lock by opening the chat, going to its profile and selecting chat lock to hide them in a dedicated folder, requiring your fingerprint or device authentication to open it. So if you're putting an app lock, then it will have the overall privacy at your WhatsApp, but if you're choosing chat lock, then it will only lock a specific chat. So this is how you can lock WhatsApp chats with fingerprints. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.